Hi there, Prakash here from prakashcvs.com, and you are in the members area of Turbo Niches. And now, during this video, I'm going to give a demo exactly what is inside the members area of Turbo Niches and what it can do, how it works, and see if it can solve your particular problem of affiliate marketing. In a nutshell, Turbo Niches is a internet marketing program that combines software with an incredible strategy and resources, that is ClickBank. It gives a lot of bang to your buck, and it really there are a lot of affiliate programs of ClickBank in right here, which you can promote and also get traffic to these particular niches right here. So that is one very good advantage of this particular program, Turbo Niches. The software and the method utilize a very clever series of tricks from YouTube, which has never been seen before. And Turbo Niches is newbie friendly and definitely doesn't require any big tech skill or and you can make good money out of Turbo Niches if you really focus on this particular this particular software and make good money. So if this sounds like something that you're interested in, just click on the link in the description below. Yeah, this will take you to my bonus page, which looks like this. And the bonus page, just scroll down below and you're going to click on these red buttons here, which will be active as of 10 a.m. Eastern on the 15th September, and then you will be directed to the sales page. So the sales page is going to look something like this. Okay, and you can just access this particular, just click on this orange button and you're going to get immediate access to this particular software. And I don't want you to miss on the bonuses what I have put for you. And the bonuses, I have really taken a lot of time to put all these bonuses together. So one of the very good bonuses and is a no-brainer for anybody who picks up with my link. So let us go to the bonus page and I will show you what the bonuses are I have put for you. So the bonus number 1 is Turbo Niches Aurora Pro. Now in this bonus you're getting access to a course by Jono Armstrong, who is my mentor, and explaining, and this really explains about how to get high ticket offers and also how to get traffic to this offer so that you can really make money easily. So Aurora, you get access to Aurora Pro, and this is the first bonus. Bonus number 2 is you're going to get 2 high quality traffic sources to use with Turbo Niches. Of course, inside Turbo Niches there are a lot of traffic sources which are given there, but naturally if you get 2 more very good traffic sources, and I don't think any amount of traffic is not enough for us to make money in affiliate marketing. So you're going to get, in bonus number 2, you're going to get 2 high quality traffic sources to be used with Turbo Niches. And bonus number 3 is you're going to get, suppose you want to do an email marketing for Turbo Niches, you can get 2000 copy paste emails. So this is a fantastic bonus. This is bonus number 3, and bonus number 4 is you're going to get the Eclipse course, complete Eclipse course, and here you will learn the creation and also how to hijack other marketers' email swipes and use them as your own. So this is a fantastic bonus what you're going to get. So bonus number 5 is you're going to get a lot of bonuses from the vendor, and this is the vendor bonuses. These bonuses that the vendor has given me to give it to you, and we have a list of around 10 bonuses here. 100 DFY campaigns done for you campaigns, 100 affiliate programs, the hungriest buyer traffic on the planet, the 9 traffic sources, over 6,000 headlines and ads, 1,000 graphics, cockpit control panel suite, quick start video tutorials, and step-by-step visual training. So these are some of the bonuses what the vendor has given to me to give it to you, and you're going to get all these from the vendor along with the bonuses I mentioned above. And all these are 100% free of charge and instantly delivered to you if you just pick up even the front end of this particular Turbo Niches course, which is going to cost you just $17. So to get all these bonuses, you need to just click on the link in the description below, which will take you to the bonus page here, and just click on these orange buttons here, and that will take you to the sales page. And once you have done that, you simply go to the Warrior Plus account, and no inside the Warrior Plus account, on the right hand side, you have your account, and go to purchase history, and which will bring you to this purchase page like this, and here you're going to access your product here, and down below is a blue button which says access your bonuses. So you can just access all the bonuses over here, which is going to be delivered to you. So let us go to the sales page and have a look at it. And this is the sales page. Watch me activate a free traffic discharge on autopilot in second. This is Mr. David Kirby, who's one of the who's a multimillionaire who's made a lot of money on ClickBank and all that. And see, thousands of profit volcanoes to unearth. New cloud-based app works on autopilot. Generate ClickBank or Warrior Plus sales. Even if you have no tech skills or experience, 9 free traffic sources, quick start video tutorials, and 365-day money back guarantee. This is an awesome ironclad money guarantee. 365-day money back guarantee is offering. So you can just imagine, get results or we'll send you 500. What a way to sell! What a way to sell! So this is the in short about the sales page. And let me not waste any more time on this sales page. You can come at your own time and just see this sales page and have a look at it. So I just want to go over the front end. The front end is just going to cost you around the front end will cost you around $17. I'm just going through this particular 1 minute down there, and yeah, the front end is costing you around $17. This is the front end. Then OTO Unlimited is costing you around $47 upsell and $27 downsell. There's a downsell on this, and if you just after you go to this particular product, you can just know what you can do is you can just have to press that no thank you button, and then it's going to downsell, so you can save around $20. We upgrade your unlimited bandwidth with no limits. Here there's a limits on the front end, and upsell number 2 is done for you, where the team gets to work and saves the amount of time you would regularly need to complete your goals. This is upsell number 2 done for you. And upsell number 3 is partner with us. It is a $97 upsell and downsell of that is $67. And OTO 4 is traffic, to get traffic. Ethically jack our traffic from our awesome launches. You can add your tracking pixel to our sales pages. It's going to cost you $197, downsell at $97. And upsell number 5 is resell as your own product and be the vendor, and you can keep all these no price points with you if we just take it at $97. It's one of the very good upsell. And now the key benefits are thousands of profit volcanoes to unearth. A cloud-based app works on autopilot. So I don't waste any more time. You can just have to let us head over to the members area of Turbo Niches. The Turbo Niches members area is like this. Welcome to Turbo Niches. And this comes with welcome video 1 and 2 the moment you just open the Turbo Niches page. And now you can just go into and click on the first button here, which says Turbo Niches. And here what you have to do is just Yeah, so lot of offers of ClickBank are already present here, and you can take any one of the offers, and around 143 pages of offers are there. So around 1,427 different type of products are there for you to sell these digital products. So what you can do is just click on this, and you can sell. You get a 75% commission, and find the relevant keywords. You just press on this and you're going to get the relevant keywords from Google, Facebook, or Craigslist. And so this is the one what you're going to get. And the next one is business calculator. Suppose this is very interesting here. You want to calculate how much money you want to make. Suppose you want to make say $200, and then delivery speed is, suppose you want to have within a week. Then grab your cash. Then it will tell you which offer to promote, what it has to do, how much of totally is required, which everything it tells you the total. It gives you the total roadmap of how you can get there. So this is what does it take. It gives you a total roadmap of how to get these particular money in a week's time. So it's a fantastic type of software. And next you got this Turbo Biz Builder, which basically conversions and clicks, 10% of clicks. Suppose you got 10 clicks here, 1 click converted, and the rebill is $37, and how much you make cash. So this is the total thing which tells you in this particular submenu. And now you can go to Turbo 5 click, and this is step 1, get niches. Step 2, download campaigns. Step 3, create landing page, create a squeeze page, and get traffic. Step 5. So this is about this Turbo Click 5. And you got Turbo Traffic Suite, where you can get how you can run traffic to this. Then you got no now you also got custom offers to promote. You got a URL softener, just like URL shortener, just like no Bitly. And article rewriter. You got an article rewriter where you can you can take an article from Google and spin it, and you can get you can get another fresh article which is no non which is not plagiarized. Okay. And next you got a graphic editor, which is like Canva, where you can just design your own no your own graphics, or edit graphics a little bit. It is something similar to Canva, but this is quite good. Everything under one roof. What you get, everything under one roof. So it is a very good software. Say I told you, it's something like Canva, where you can do the thing. So landing page editor, video tutorials, everything is there. So it's a fantastic, and with my bonuses, it's a fantastic no-brainer what you can get out of the software. And just for $17, mind you, just for $17 of front end, you get all my bonuses. And no just click on the red button on my bonus page, and it will take you to the sales page. And from there you just access the product, and you can get this particular software. If you found this review useful, kindly click on this kindly subscribe to my channel, and just kindly comment and let me know. I want to improve myself. It would be very useful. Your comments would mean a lot to me.